The service department is responsible and owns delivering excellent service to our customers. So if Kim has a MRI and her system goes down and she's got a day full of patients, she's calling my team to help get her system back up and running so that she doesn't have to call all those patients and tell them that the diagnosis they might be waiting for is going to have to be delayed. That's probably the biggest ownership that we take in the service team is how do we get systems functioning and staying functional.
We have a nationwide network of service engineers that are able to service the systems and to service the hospitals as well.
The team that allows us to interact and support each other, it gives us sort of a group knowledge base that you wouldn't have normally if you're just reading a book and trying to do some procedure.
The drive itself, since I started working here, it's always been people matter. And I physically see in the field the patients, whether it's in a cancer center or an ER, the patients that need the equipment that we give them. That's the reason why I come to work, why I do what I do.
The bringing a system back to full functionality, whether that's a new system in Nigeria or Atlanta, is changing someone's life. We know that imaging equipment tells a story and it gives a picture of what's going on in a way that we don't know without it. And so for us as an organization, one thing that's just incredibly important is our consistent awareness of how the work we do impacts patients. And yet at the end of the day, it impacts someone's daughter. It impacts someone's uncle. It impacts someone's parent.
When you call us and you can just ask for one person by name and that person can talk to you directly, there's that connection there. And to me, there's the trust there.
We have, some people that are new and have never called in before, and we love to hear from them. We have other customers that we've been working with for over 10 years. So we've definitely developed a relationship with them.
I get the just a pleasure of talking with customers each and every day about what service looks like to them. We just don't throw out pricing, we just don't throw out contracts. We really try to understand what their needs are and how Block Imaging can best serve them. Everything from full service contract to preventive maintenance only and also to time and materials.
So one of our goals here at Block Imaging is just the recognition that we are wired for connection. Our hope is that you would feel invited, anticipated, and uniquely cared for.
We're definitely always trying to improve and innovate the tech support and the remote tech support that we're able to offer now, where we're actually putting a piece of equipment on the system so that we can log in remotely and figure out what's going on before an engineer has to get on site. Especially when a service call comes in, all the emotions are heightened. The tech, the patients, everybody's just feeling it in a way that if my team and I can deliver service in a way that adds comfort to the tech and the person that's on the other end of that phone call, that's our highest desire, that you would feel as cared about as you are. We have your back so that you don't have to worry about it and you can feel confident that your system's going to be taken care of.